ServSafe Manager Practice Test Printable. Question 1. When monitoring temperature to receive milk, one must look for 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius or lower, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Milk can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, but must be cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Question 2. What is the main goal of hand antiseptic use? Every hour, before hand washing, after hand washing, instead of hand washing. Antiseptics should only be used after washing. Question 3. A manager must ensure that common food allergen is handled by milk, chicken, beef, pork. Milk is one of the big 9 allergens. Question 4. Identify the correct statement about maximum time for hot holding without temp control. 6 hours, 2 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours. Hot food can be held 4 hours if started at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 5. Identify the correct statement about HACCP Principle 6. Verify the system works. Record, monitor, analyze. Step 6 is verification. Question 6. One must always check MSDS purpose for food recipes, chemical safety info, work schedules, inventory lists. Material safety data sheets, now SDS, provide chemical safety details. Question 7. Regarding maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone, which of the following is correct? 4 hours, 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 8. What is the best practice for shell stock tag retention? 30 days, 180 days, 60 days, 90 days. Tags must be kept for 90 days after the last shellfish was served. Question 9. Under ServSafe guidelines, minimum internal temp for stuffed meat is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Stuffing and stuffed meats require 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 10. Which is a key component of minimum temperature for fruits/veggies? 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Fruits, veggies, and grains for hot holding need 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 11. The definition of cooking temperature for ground beef in the FDA Food Code is 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Ground meats require 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds. Question 12. What is the requirement for outdoor garbage surface? Concrete or asphalt, gravel, grass, dirt. Outdoor bins must sit on non-absorbent surfaces. Question 13. The risk of illness from first step in cleaning and sanitizing is reduced by sanitize, scrape or remove food bits, Washington rinse. Always scrape food from the surface first. Question 14. A health inspector will look for HACCP Principle 3 to be monitor, establish critical limits, verify, correct. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 15. Which detail is essential for Giardia duodenalis? Bacteria, parasite from feces, toxin, virus. Giardia is a parasite spread via feces. Question 16. Which is a key component of Campylobacter jejuni? Toxin, parasite, bacteria in poultry, virus. Campylobacter is a common cause of diarrhea from poultry. Question 17. What defines the standard for PCO stands for? Pest control owner, professional cleaning operator, pest control officer, pest control operator. A PCO is a licensed professional for pest management. Question 18. Which is a key component of cooking temp for mechanically tenderized meat? 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Mechanically tenderized meat requires 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 19. When handled improperly, common allergen, soy causes, soy, turkey, potatoes, carrots. Soy is one of the big allergens. Question 20. When handled improperly, Staphylococcus aureus causes, virus, soil, parasite, bacteria from skin/nose. Staph is carried on human skin and transferred by touch.